Hey guys, CJ here of YugaTech, and in the previous video, we tackled what Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets are, where they came from, and ultimately, why they should matter to you. Well, in today's video, we're gonna do the exact same thing, but with Samsung Exynos chipset. So, buckle those seatbelts and join me as we figure out what Exynos chipsets are really about. Let's dive in. The story begins with, you guessed it, Samsung Electronics, a global technology giant headquartered in South Korea. Among other things, home to the Galaxy smartphones, tablets, and wearables you've seen in our videos. The Exynos series made its debut in the early 2010s with the Exynos 3 single, found in the first Galaxy S handset, and since then, it has been a pivotal player in the realm of mobile processors. Samsung, being a vertical integrated company, not only designs but also manufactures its Exynos chipsets, showcasing its capabilities in semiconductor technology. From its inception, the primary goal of Exynos chipsets has been to deliver a comprehensive and seamless user experience. Samsung, with its Exynos line, envisioned a future where mobile devices could handle an array of tasks efficiently. This vision has propelled the evolution of Exynos chipsets, encompassing advancements in processing power, graphics capabilities, AI integration, and energy efficiency. Samsung, as one of the world's leading semiconductor manufacturers, produces Exynos chipsets in its state-of-the-art fabrication facilities. The manufacturing process involves cutting-edge technologies, including FinFET, allowing for enhanced performance and energy efficiency. This in-house manufacturing capability provides Samsung with greater control over the entire production cycle, ensuring the overall quality and innovation. Exynos chipsets feature multi-core CPUs, ranging from quad-core to octa-core configurations. This enables devices to handle multitasking, demanding applications, and advanced computing tasks with ease. Samsung integrates Mali GPUs into Exynos chipsets, delivering high-quality graphics for gaming, multimedia, and other visually intensive applications. This ensures a captivating and immersive user experience when playing games and consuming video content, as well as juggling multiple windows for productivity. With a focus on connectivity, Exynos chipsets include integrated modems that support various network technologies, including 4G LTE and 5G. This ensures fast and reliable connectivity for data-intensive tasks. Samsung has incorporated AI accelerators in recent Exynos chipsets, enhancing the capabilities of on-devices artificial intelligence and machine learning. This led to the birth of Bixby in 2017, but without it, its AI accelerators contributed to improved camera performance, voice recognition, and overall user interaction with the One UI operating system. For the wider context of how Snapdragon and Exynos compare across the generations, it's clear that they've always been close in performance. There has never been a major digression in these chipsets' capabilities, with differences usually boiling down to power consumption or real-world performance. In normal usage, they are more or less equally comparable, and their difference in results can only easily be noticed by running the usual synthetic benchmarks and comparing the two. In short, these results show the neck-and-neck nature of the chipset's performance race and how both Qualcomm and Snapdragon keep up with each other. Samsung appears to lag behind by just a little bit, but for the most part, both do quite well, and Samsung is never too far behind Qualcomm in terms of actual performance. Samsung Exynos chipsets have demonstrated a more consistent level of performance across various devices, contributing to a positive user experience. Samsung predominantly uses Exynos chipsets in its devices sold in certain regions, while Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets were more widely used globally. This created a perception that Snapdragon-equipped devices were more universally available. Qualcomm led the way in the early adoption of 5G technology, securing its position as a preferred choice for manufacturers aiming to integrate the latest connectivity standards. Samsung Exynos chipsets hold a significant relevance to consumers in the modern era. Devices powered by Exynos chipsets deliver robust performance, making them suitable for a wide range of applications, from productivity tasks to gaming. The integration of advanced image signal processors or ISPs, enhancing camera capabilities that supports features such as high-resolution photography, video recording, and computational photography. Samsung's commitment to energy-efficient designs ensures that Exynos-powered devices strike a balance between performance and battery life, offering a prolonged usage experience. Exynos chipsets support diverse network technologies, enabling devices to connect seamlessly to various mobile networks worldwide. As Samsung continues to innovate and refine its Exynos chipsets, consumers can anticipate even more power, efficiency, and feature-rich mobile experiences. The Exynos series stands as a testament to Samsung's commitment to driving technological advancements that shape the future of mobile computing. Although it is worth noting that, with the Galaxy S23 lineup of flagship devices released earlier this year, Samsung has yet again decided to utilize the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets available. Could this be taken as Samsung conceding in the chipset war? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so you can be notified of future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, X, Instagram, and TikTok, and visit yukitech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye!